Ever pondered the secrets behind crafting a beautiful latte art rosette? The kind that makes your morning cup of joe seem like it was poured right out of an artisan coffee shop? Well, today is your lucky day. We're about to unravel the mystery and break down the process into simple, manageable steps. First off, it all starts with a perfect espresso shot. The rich, dark and aromatic goodness of freshly brewed espresso forms the base of your latte. You'll want to make sure your shot has a nice creamer on top. That's the frothy layer that'll help your rosette come to life. Next, you're going to need some steamed milk. This isn't just any milk, mind you. It's got to be creamy, velvety, and with a texture like wet paint. That's the key to creating the contrast and definition in your latte art. Now, the magic begins. Start pouring the milk into the center of the espresso from a height. This allows the milk to sink beneath the creamer, setting the stage for your rosette. Once you've filled about half the cup, bring the milk jug closer to the surface and start wiggling it from side to side. This is where your rosette starts to take shape. As the milk froth starts to create a pattern on the surface, you'll want to move the jug across the cup, maintaining the wiggle. Keep your pace steady, your hand firm, and your heart brave. This is no time for hesitation. Just when you reach the opposite edge of the cup, lift the jug slightly and sweep it back across the pattern you've just created. If you've done it right, you'll see a beautiful stem forming, completing your rosette. And there you have it, a stunning latte art rosette right in your own kitchen. The magic of it all lies in practice, patience, and a love for coffee. To recap, it's all about the perfect espresso shot, the right milk texture, a steady pour, a confident wiggle, and a bold sweep across the cup. So, go forth and pour. Make every cup of coffee a masterpiece. And remember, the world of latte art is vast and beautiful. Today, it's a rosette. Tomorrow, who knows? The only limit is your imagination and the size of your coffee cup. Enjoy the journey, coffee aficionados.